Hello everyone, my name is Dr. Pooja Singh. I am a BN Vice Doctor and currently working in Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. Today we are going to talk about expectorant diet. So, what is expectorant diet? The diet it helps bring up mucus and other materials from the lungs, bronchi and trachea. An expectorant is something that helps loosen mucus so that you can cough it up. It does this by increasing the water content of the mucus, thinning it out and making the cough more productive. Now, what and all are in expectorant diet? So, hot water. This will help in breaking down and dissolving the thick phlegm inside the lungs. Can also keep hot water pack on the chest. This will help in removal of phlegm. Moisture. A simple and all natural way to loosen up chest congestion is to take a hot steamy shower. Warm and moist air can help relieve a stubborn cough by losing mucus in the airway. You can also try using a humidifier to add moisture to the air you breathe. Hydration. Keeping the body hydrated will help it function at its best. Increase fluid intake during cough or cold. Drinking water or herbal tea is a great way to get more fluid. Honey. Honey is delicious, natural and soothing. It may even loosen up the zunk in your chest. One study in children with upper respiratory infections found that honey relieved cough and improved the children's sleep. Try mixing a teaspoon of honey with a cup of warm milk or tea, or just down a teaspoon of it before bed. Honey shouldn't be given to children younger than 1 year of age due to the risk of botulism. Peppermint. Peppermint contains a compound known as menthol. Menthol may help thin mucus and loosen phlegm. Onion. Onions contain irritating compounds that can really trigger productive coughs. It makes the phlegm thin by breaking it down so that it easily comes out with the cough. Horseradish. Horseradish clears the mucus from lungs and can be effective in treating other cold symptoms such as stuffy nose. Licorice. Licorice root has outstanding expectorant qualities. Licorice can also help soothe an irritated and inflamed throat and also suppress your coughing. It should not be used by people with high blood pressure. The best way to take licorice for your cough is in the form of a tea. Simply add half a teaspoon of licorice root to a cup of hot water. Let it steep for 10 minutes and drink it down 3 times each day until it gets better. Then parsley. Parsley helps to dissolve and break down thick phlegm, thus facilitating its removal from lungs through the cough. Ginger. Ginger is a pungent herb that loosens mucus but won't burn going down even if having a sore throat. Ginger tea. Ginger tea is also an effective expectorant. Peel and slice fresh ginger roots and add it to 8 ounces of boiling water. Simmer the tea for 5 to 10 minutes. Strain the beverages and sip in. As ginger is relatively mild, one can sip as much of the tea as one desires throughout the day. Garlic. Garlic has expectorant qualities which can help clear respiratory issues and treat your coughs. Eating raw garlic is a simple solution but may not appeal to everyone. It may be more palatable to grate the garlic fine and add it to a tablespoon of honey. Steam. A simple hot steam treatment will help produce moisture which when inhaled can help to loosen mucus. Steam also calms down your coughing reflexes and even soothes your sore throat. Essential oils. Steam alone can have a very beneficial effect, but when added essential oil, the effect is even more dramatic. There is a wide variety of choices that can help relieve coughing. Many essential oils have expectorant qualities. Some of the best for cough relief are and helps to breathe more comfortably are clove, peppermint, rosemary, and eucalyptus essential oils, but there are many others. Basil, one of the important herbs to cure cough and cold, can be used as decoction or steam. So that was all about expectorant diet. So what is expectorant diet and what and all we can take for expectorant? Thank you.